Before this video starts, I want to let you guys know that this crew neck and a bunch of other pieces drop tomorrow at 2 p.m. CST for Young LA. Of course, use code Shep for 15% off. And let's get it going. Welcome back, YouTube family. If you've seen my recent videos, you know that I have a new coach now. We recently changed up my split to work on my little ass chest, because it's pretty bad. So I now have 2 chest days, so it's chest, back, shoulders, arms, rest. Then we have 1 chest that's heavy day, and then we have legs, and we rest and repeat. So today is my full chest day, literally just chest, no accessories, no nothing. So I'm gonna you guys through all the exercises, sets, and reps. So let's get to work. Our first exercise for this chest day is incline Smith machine. We have a whopping 5 working sets, 5 reps. Last time I got 225 or 245s on each side. So we'll try to hit that again, or go up to like 235, 245. Not too like far up, depending on how I'm feeling today, I don't know. But we're gonna warm up to, we'll do about 3 warm-up sets and then head right into the working sets. Alright, we did just the bar and then 135. Now we have 185 on the bar. I'll do this for like 3 to 5 reps. Then I maybe will do 210, I don't know. Depending on how this feels, we might just go straight to 225 and start the working sets. I know it's gonna be a lot heavier. 225. More.
Why not?
That's lame.
You already do it on TikTok.
I do not greedy on TikTok.
You do some other dance on TikTok.
What other dance I do?
I don't know. I don't know what's it called. I really don't. Yeah.
Alright, I can't talk bad about myself. My girlfriend told me to stop telling me I'm fat. Like, I call myself fat. It's not good.
Why not?
Because you're talking bad about yourself. I wake up and say, dude, you're fat as fuck. What are you doing?
It doesn't make you work harder?
That's what I told her, and she was like, it's not how it works. That makes sense. I think I do it too much.
A little bit.
I just need to stop skipping cardio. Dude.
Stop eating out.
Eddie?
Tell them what you had.
I don't know what you're talking about. I might have had a little Wingstop, little Hawaiian, not 15 wings with some burnt end fries. That shit was blessing.
The Wingstop fries go hard.
That's what I'm saying. It was Super Bowl Sunday, alright? Happens once a year. I did enjoy myself a little bit. I might be 3 pounds heavier than I was before, but we're gonna make it up. I got 40 minutes of cardio later tonight. I'm gonna do 40 tomorrow. I'll be alright, alright? I'll be alright. Alright, so we done with Smith machine incline. Now we have flat dumbbell press. We have 2 top sets of like 6 to 8, which is like full on all out failure. And then we have 2 back down sets, 6 to 8 pause reps. So that's 4 sets. So I'll probably do like 1 warm-up set, because I'm already pretty warmed up, just to get the movement down. And then we'll jump straight into the top sets. I'm out of breath. Maybe we're not warming up.
No?
I mean, that was 10, so we'll do 110, see how that feels. But we should have to do 6 to 8, so I'll do 110. Say something to the vlog? What? Say something to the vlog? What's going on? My boy Reese. I've been searching for a spot for like 5 minutes, so I got you. I'm just going for like 6 to 8. My bad. Yeah. Thank you. About time, bruh. That was good, right?
That was all you?
Not the last one. All right, now we got back downs. 6 to 8 pause rips. So I'll probably go 80. See how that feels, and then go 70. And then we got the next exercise. I just wanted to add like a little drop set after that, so I just got the 60s for like 5. Alright, that's it for the press today. On to the next.
How's the strap?
What?
Nothing.
Dude, what the hell is this? Alright, we were supposed to do dumbbell flies. But I like to mix and match with my exercises in the same pool, so it could be dumbbell flies, cable flies, it could be pec deck. Whatever I'm feeling that day, I'll do. So I'm gonna do these cable flies right here. It's just 3 working sets, 8 to 10 reps. I'm gonna go close to failure on these. I'm gonna bust them out. Alright, so far we've hit Smith machine incline, dumbbell flat press, and then cable flies. We're supposed to do regular dips, but I really like this dip machine I have here at Gold's. So we have these dips for just 3 working sets, 8 to 10. I'm just gonna bust them out. Sorry. It's supposed to be a cluster step, right?
For dips?
I'm not doing it. Alright, we're just gonna bust out like 3 to 4 working sets, all to failure, and we'll go from there because 24 reps in a row with this is not gonna go well. So let's go. Alright. Is it 14? 14 and a half.
I wasn't counting.
14 and a half. Alright, we got 2 more exercises. We're almost done with this lift. Now we have just regular push-ups to failure. We have 4 sets. It's not very fun because by like the 4th set, I can only do like 8. That was it, alright? I'll get this over with. We got 1 more exercise. Great, and then out of nowhere, my body just shuts down. So we're trying to do like 45 seconds and then keep going. Holy shit.
You don't have to worry about
it. Siri keeps going off, bruh. Alright, 2 more.
Oh, yeah, so let's go.
Here's our last exercise for the day. We're done with chest. We got 3 working sets of like 10 to 15 rear delt flies right here, and that will conclude the entire chest day. So let's go. That that is a full chest day, guys. Pretty basic movements, as you see. We did hit rear delts at the end just because we don't hit them on our arms and shoulder day. We only have front raises and laterals for that day. But yeah, in and out, hour 15 minutes. Really easy. Try it out. Let me know what you guys think. Be ready for the YouTube videos coming your way later this week and next week. My boy from New Jersey, who filmed a lot of my YouTube videos last summer, is coming to Texas for a couple of days. A lot of RP promo for the next drop, and just a lot of great content coming his way. So stay tuned. Be ready. As always, peace, love, and blessings. And we out. Welcome back, YouTube family. We got a pretty banger video. What the fuck is that? All right, before the video. So I'll show you guys all the exercise I go through every single. Welcome back, YouTube family. It's been a while. Fucking Christ. A month now, and we ran